You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. How do you say it correctly? In English, the pronunciation can be, well, there can be two slightly different ones. Either Marissa, Marissa with a clear E sound, or Marissa, Marissa with more of a schwa sound in the middle, Marissa or Marissa. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.